Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add thumbnail in YouTube short video. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel. First of all, you have to upload a short on YouTube. Now here you have to click on right bottom done icon. After that again click on yes icon at the right bottom. Now here you have to click on top left pencil icon. Here you can see. Now select the part of the short video that you want to use for the thumbnail. After that click on the done in the right bottom. Now you can upload this video by adding title and description. In this way you can add thumbnail inside YouTube short. Thanks for watching this video.